My name is Willem Sundblad. I'm co-founder and CEO of Oden Technologies. And I'm inviting you to our webinar on February 21st, Thursday at 11 a.m. At Oden, we've classified 4 different ways or an evolution of 4 steps of digital transformation in factories. So a level 1 factory is status quo of how things are run today, where you have many different siloed systems and you have data being manually collected, people putting it into Excel. And so problem solving can be really slow, it can be cumbersome, and you can at most be reactive. A level 2 system, which is what the customer in the case study used, is a system where you have everything connected into one single source of truth, and the users can get access to any information about quality issues and machine failures, production optimization in minutes. It's instantly accessible. Now that is really good for reactive problem solving, but it demands effort to be proactive. A level 3 system is a system where you have intelligent algorithms making recommendations to people on ways to improve production or to do root cause analysis. We're going to give some examples about how we can build those machine learning algorithms to make recommendations on optimization and predicting quality as well. A level 4 system is a system where those algorithms actually send commands to the machines so that you have an intelligent, autonomous production line. For most people, a level 4 factory is actually years out because it requires a lot of data and it requires a lot of effort. But it's still a journey to go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and we're going to share both how that journey is done and what that means for problem solving and people in the factories on each step. So look forward to seeing you on February 21st. You can register on 4spe.org/webinars. Register today, and I'll see you the 21st.